Hey folks, Yubi here. Thanks for sticking around and checking out the exterior walk around of this Ram 2200. This thing is a beauty. Used. I really love the Sport Performance hood. We come on down, we got this custom wrap on it very well. We got our sensors, not back up, we're in the front. We got our sensors here. What I really like is the Ram done out in blue. We also got the pinstriping going down through. This thing is lowered. It has aftermarket rims, aftermarket tires. Very, very slick machine. Proximity key entry. Just look at that gray coming down through. Comes right on back, just lowered right just fine. Comes with a tunnel cover. We got our black badging. She's ready to go, ready to tow. We got our backup sensors. Soft dampening tailgate. And a spray and box liner. Let's check out the inside. Hey folks, thanks for sticking around, checking out the interior of this 2022 Ram Sport, custom wrap lowered to the ground a bit. This thing is very well maintained, immaculate, and just 3,500 kilometers, subject to change. We have our, over here we have a memory seat. Seat 1 for the wife and seat 2 for you. We've been there, I'm not going there no more. We have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. We also have down here, we have our power control paddles. This is very nice. Telescopic steering. We got our Bluetooth capability on the left, our cruise control on the right. Also on the left, we have our cluster display. And on the back, we have our toggle switches. Over here for your radio and right here for your volume. This thing comes equipped with a 12-inch screen, Alpine system, trailer brake. It also has a charger here, a wireless charger, heated seats, heated steering wheel. One thing I really do like about this Sport, it's got your 4-wheel auto, so which is really nice, especially in the wintertime, and wintertime's just around the corner. Lots of storage, 2-tier system, slides back and forth, lots of room. So yeah, this thing is ready to go, folks. You can't beat it. One of a kind. So if you like any more information, feel free to give me a shout. That's Yubi at St.Albert Dodge, 780-220-3822. Have an amazing day, and we'll see you soon.